Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If you've ever had a graphic that you had to have a trademark or the register or the copyright, the way to do it is go to text and GIFs. That used to be symbols. And if you will take just like Arial and look at the entire font, you've got a lot of them. But if you go right here and go just the symbols, you only have the symbols. And there are a few like copyright, and it's pretty easy. You can take it over there, drag it into your graphic, but there's no trademark and, what font, and, there's some other symbols. I'm just trying to think of, it's wingding. Normally it's all the way to the bottom of your graphic, and there's quite a few symbols inside of wingding. And if you go to, the time to search them, and you're still not going to get a trademark probably. Well, let's go to number 3 and see what it does. So wingding has a lot of, arrows and graphics, which you can make. And anyway, so if you will just have these codes written down, and I'm going to hit my text key, and I'm going to hit the alternate key and go 0174 and enter. Well, it didn't. Let me do it again. Alt 0174 and then enter. And it gave me the registered trademark. Alt key 0153 and it gave me the trademark. Alt key 0169 and it gave me the copyright. So you didn't have to go and open a Docker. And I'm going to try to do a little research and see if I can't find some more. And this is probably something inside of Windows. It's not really Corel Draw, but I think the graphics are almost identical. Trying to make that bigger. If you look at it side by side, those are pretty identical. Anyway, so write those down on a scratch piece of paper if you ever do it, and maybe save you some time. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.